Let's get twisting now. Get the upper body twisting in to the opposite knee. Hand to opposite knee. Continuing to breathe nice and deep. How are we feeling, guys? Very good. Okay, good. Just shake your legs a little. Let's have some short squats. Not too deep. Just getting the body prepared. Getting working. Breathing evenly. Today, we've got some intervals. We've got some rests. We've got some good, honest, hard work.
Yes.
Breathe,
Yes.
breathe, breathe. Okay, shake it out a little. Let's get reaching. A little bit as we reach over. Stretching out through the back. Keeping that heart raising up. Ready for the work. It's coming. Ahead. Breathing, breathing, breathing. This is Body Project. We do things the right way. Keep your eye on our form. Keep your eye on our intensity. Make sure you've got some water with you. Make sure you've got a towel. You may very well need it. 3, 2, 1. Get running on the spot. Abs nice and tight, core engaged. Pumping the arms. Breathe deep. Breathe deep. It's low impact today, so if you've got bad knees, you'll be pleased. We'll be building up your tolerance to higher impact movements throughout the process, throughout your Body Project. Let's get a little bit faster now, guys. Everybody should be feeling the heart starting to pump. The work starting. You're ready. You're feeling fierce. You're fired up. You're ready to go. It's all about cardio today. It's all about hard work. It's all about health. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kick it out. Okay, so let's get going into circuit number 1. 30 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest. 3 times, 3 exercises, 3 times through. Starting with moderated jacks. Are we ready, guys? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here, we're working through the shoulders. Remembering to breathe, nice and fast. Working the abdominal muscles. Working through the side glutes, through the sides of the legs. But most importantly, we've got some cardio happening. You can take the speed down. You can take it up. You can dip a little bit. It's up to you. Your pace. But it's 30 seconds of work and ease. We've got 15 seconds. If you want to, you keep moving. We're going to move into squat and punch to standing punch. In 3, 2, 1. Let's sit down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up. And down. Work it through. You go as low as you can and up. You can shorten the distance that you come down. That's fine, but you keep punching and up. Keep with it, guys. And ease. Kick it out. Kick it out. Work it through. Next one, we'll do the squat and hamstring curl. Breathe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Squat and curl. Work it on. Work it on. Getting that body working. Moving the body. Stay strong. You dip deeper. You feel strong. You can speed up. Slow down. It's up to you. Breathe. Work. 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 And ease. We've got 15 seconds. Nice deep breaths. We're going to move back into the moderated jacks in 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So this is round number 2. Working it on, working it through. Feeling good? Feeling strong, guys? Let's keep it going. Stay focused. It's only the beginning. You press play and you've got going. That's the key to success. To start the workout, start the nutrition plan, start your Body Project. Keep with it. And ease. Kick it out, guys. Squat and punch to standing punch. Get ready. We start with the squat in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Come up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down. A little lower if you can. Keeping the back straight. And up. Keep working. Keep breathing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Come down. Let's stay with this. Stay strong. And up. Work it through. Come on. And down. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. And kick it out. Breathe. Nice and deep. We're going to move into the squat and hamstring curls in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. One. Remember to breathe. Stay strong. Stay with it. A little focus as it starts to burn. Of the 3 exercises, this may be the toughest. You've got to stay focused on how you're moving. How's it feeling? You feel them legs burning? That's a good thing. Almost there. Almost there. And kick it out. Oh, breathe deep. Final circuit coming up. Starting with the moderated jacks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's work a little harder now. A little faster. This is the final set of this circuit of exercises. We can feel the work coming through our bodies. Good. Feels nice. I feel strong because we're moving. It's a good thing. Always. Stay with it. And ease. Kick it out. Breathe in deep. Squat and punches to standing punches in 4, 3, 2.